Top 25 quotes about kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of every home for the most part. It evokes memories of your family history. Debi Mazar. Life is a kitchen. Put on your prettiest apron and whip up something incredible. The fondest memories are made when gathered around the table. Kitchens should be designed around what's truly important: fun, food, and life. The kitchen is where we share stories, laughter, and good food. Good food and a warm kitchen are what makes a house a home. The kitchen is where you put all the ingredients together to make a wonderful meal. The kitchen is the heart of the home where the spices are kept and memories are made. Cooking is about creating something delicious for someone else. Wolfgang Puck. Bless the food before us, the family beside us, and the love between us. The kitchen is a place of adventure and entirely fun, not drudgery. Julia Child. Food is symbolic of love when words are inadequate. Alan D. Wolfelt. The kitchen is where we explore our creativity and satisfy our hunger. A recipe has no soul. You, as the cook, must bring soul to the recipe. Thomas Keller. The kitchen is the heart of the home, where the family comes together. Cooking is like love. It should be entered into with abandon or not at all. Harriet Van Horn. The kitchen is where we celebrate the joy of food and the love of family. The kitchen is a place of comfort where we seek refuge from the storms of life. Cooking is like painting or writing a song. Just as there are only so many notes or colors, there are only so many flavors. It's how you combine them that sets you apart. Wolfgang Puck. The kitchen is the heart of the home where stories are told over simmering pots. Kitchens are made for bringing families together. There is no sincere love than the love of food. George Bernard Shaw. Kitchens are made for laughter, love, and licking the spoon. In the kitchen, we're all equal. Chef Jose Andres. The kitchen is a canvas where flavors come to life.